This is Everything by voidtools, a tool that searches/locates files and folders instantly by name. It comes in different versions. I'll use the portable version for this video. The portable version allows it to run directly without installing it. Simply type whatever you want to search in the top field, and the results will be displayed instantly. You can open the file or the folder's directory by double-clicking on its name. You can also search for multiple files or folders that start and end with a specific letter by adding an asterisk between the typed letters, like in every other search tool. Here's a basic comparison with Explorer Search. Windows Explorer search speed differ according to hardware and hard drive type. I'm searching for the Program Files folder. Everything displayed all the results instantly while Explorer Search is taking its time. It also offers some options and settings such as search options, display type or layout, and so on. Everything hides in the tray with a quick options menu. That's it for Everything by voidtools.